Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make a crispy fish fillet. So if you want to know how I make this, please continue watch my video. This is Helen More, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how I make this crispy fish fillet? Let's go! So the ingredients: we need fish fillet, we also need 2 eggs, we need cornstarch, and we also need some flour. For our spices, we need black pepper and salt, red chili powder, and some paprika powder. So first step, we're going to cut our fish fillet into small one. Okay, like that. Then we're going to put it in the bowl. Then we're going to put the spices, the black pepper, salt, chili powder, and the paprika. Then after we put all the spices, we're going to put the 1 piece of egg. Then this time we're going to mix it. So when you have already mixed them well, we're going to put a little bit of cornstarch. So I have put the cornstarch here. Then we're going to mix it again. You have to mix it well. And this time we're going to add 1 egg again. Then mix it again. Then add a little bit of salt. Then mix it. Then we're going to put it with a flour 1 by 1. So you get 1 piece, okay? Then put it in the flour. Then set aside. And we all do the rest the same. So now we have already coated with flour our chicken fillet. So it's now ready to fry. So now our crispy fish fillet is done. You have to try this one. This is better than the one you will buy on the groceries, because this one, it's more crispy and it's delicious. As you can see, you can hear the sounds, not like in the grocery, it will get broken. So let's try. It's delicious and it's perfectly cooked. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Happy cooking. Bye bye.